Namaste. Welcome to Learners Tutor. Let us understand. Provision of Indian Partnership Act of 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. First one, profit sharing proportion. Partners have equal share in profits of the firm and also equal share in the loss of the firm. Interest on capital. Partners are not entitled for any interest of their capital balances. Interest on drawings. No interest is to be charged on drawings made by the partners. Interest on partners' loan. If any partner has taken an advance sum of money from the firm which is belonged as an capital for the purpose of the business, then in that case they charge 6% per annum. Remuneration for firm's work. See, no partner will be entitled to get a salary or any other remuneration taken part in conducted of the business. Other remuneration like commission. See, this is the practical oriented question which will come for 5 marks. Okay, next topic. Adjustments of partnership account. We have 5 adjustments. First one is interest on partners' capital. See, if the partners are being agreed, whatever the opening balance of partners' capital is there, if they are agreeing on certain rate, only then they are entitled for the partners' capital. If no, see, actually no interest will be allowed on partners' capital. So in case if it is mentioned in the partnership deed, they provide interest on partners' capital, only then they are entitled for partners' capital. Interest on partners' drawing. See, partnership agreement may also provide for charging interest on amount like withdrawn out of the firm by the partners. If they're doing, see, if any amount is being drawn for personal use, then it is partners' drawings. Okay, at that stage they will charge an interest of drawings. Here there is no express of an agreement among the partners about it. There is no any agreement about it. Okay, but if the partnership deed provides for an interest is charged at an agreed rate for a particular period of time, then they'll show it as an outstanding from the partners during the accounting year. Okay, we have different methods of interest of partners drawing. We do it in direct method, product method, and also we calculate in average period method. These are the 3 methods of interest on partners drawing. Next, interest on partners loan. See, if a partnership, if it requires any loan from the partners, whatever capital is being contributed, if he takes from there, what happens? It is being recorded in the partners capital account separately. If the part that will become partners loan carries certain interest and there is a rate of interest also allowed, they charge 6% of rate of interest as per the partnership act. Partner's salary or commission. See, as per the rule, they are not entitled for any partner salary or commission. If the partners have been agreed in case of they are giving certain salary or commission for the partner, in that case it has been showed on profit and loss appropriation on the debit side. Okay, distribution of profits and losses among the partners. See, profit or loss of the partners, it has to be distributed among the partners as an agreed ratio. It is according to Partnership Act of 1932. And all these adjustments will come under profit and loss appropriation account. See, in the next videos, you'll be learning individually how to calculate interest on partners' capital, interest on partners' loan, and interest on partners' salary or commission. How do we distribute profit and loss among the partners? Thank you for watching Learners Tutor. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.